And then $99 your travel 8-gallon trolley. One of the better ones is our top of the line tools. Some more clearance deals. We got the top 20 Father's Day deals at the Loves. Yes, it's already around the corner. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more to review videos so you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got the buy one, get one free tools. And you get a free 8-piece griddle kit, free tool there, and a free ladder. So there's just different items, including these. These are really, really good deals for all these platforms, including this plane. It's really nice. It's one of the better ones that they have here. Really love the plate, the metal plate that they have there, so you could install stuff. All right, so $399 will get you $75 off. You spend up to $398, get $15 off. $290, get $25 off. And then for the Craftsman, this is the Craftsman. This is the middle grade. This one you spend $169, get $50 off. Spend $168.99 and get $25 off. So not too bad on this one. One of the better ones, I would say, budget-wise, and for the Pro, is $369 will save you $120, and then $368 will save you $90. $298 will save you $50. So we got some really, really good deals on this one. So definitely check it out. The middle one is probably going to be the best bang for your buck, the $90 one. For that $299 will get you that $200 range of pack out, or stack pack. Alright, so yeah, happy Father's Day with this one, according to what they say here. So pretty nice. I really like the blue color on this. Really solid box. It's a middle type of grade of box. Not really a pro level, but it's great to have in the garage. Easy to. $698 is going to be the total package. $299 and $399 for this one. 100 pound drawer capacity, up to 9,289 cubic feet of storage. So pretty decent, pretty good self-closing drawers. And then $898, this is going to be the 41-inch 6-drawer chest. And it does have self-closing. It is a 2000 series. I personally do have one of these. I really love it, really like it. However, it is not a professional box. You can use it as a professional. Who knows how long it's going to last. But this one's a Kobalt. Again, this is $488. It's going to be mostly for the DIY. You can use it as professional. It might last you a few years, to get started. But, over the long run, you want some. If you're a pro, you want something that's going to be solid throughout the year. So $199 for this one. This is a pressure washer. This one does come with the hose. It is wheeled, easier to carry around. Is 2000 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. It is electric from the Greenworks. That's what it looks like right there. And then we have a 2-in-1 foam cannon. So it does come with, this is for the garden hose. And this is $39.96. And then we got some other Armor All stuff there. And then we got this. Check this one out. This was really nice. Wish I could have money to buy this for the carne asada. All right, so $149. $149. That's actually not bad for something like that. Really like the design of it. And then they got this one on clearance, $20 down from $82.98 for a 42-inch mulch kit with blades. The mower itself is $20.99. I was just looking at something real quick. But if you guys see the mower right next to it, it's a lot less horsepower, and it's only $100 less. So might as well make sure you guys double check your prices and the features on this mowers. $17.45 was $19.39, so not too bad. It's already on clearance. Somebody returned it, and they're just doing the clearance right out of the store. All right, so they got this one on sale, $439 down from $499 for 21-inch cut self-propelled mower. $200 off a BOGO attachment, capable tools and attachments. You spend $500 to get $200. Spend $400, get $100 off. So pretty good deals on these. And then they got this one. This is a Kobalt, 24 volts times 2 for $399. Pretty much if you got the batteries. And then some more clearance. This one's 320, according to what it says here. New starter, install tune-up, and sold as it is. So it actually looks pretty new. Somebody just used it a few times and they just returned it. So you could say this one's pretty much in new condition, same as this one. And same price for this one, 320 as well. It says replace broken soap tank, tune-up, and then 529 for this one was 579 for the power shot. 3500 pressure washer. And then you got this Eagle Edger attachment capable, 149. It is the multi-head system. Then you got this one on clearance for 48.67. Not too bad. And then some more clearance here. 2-pack of drill holsters for the toolboxes. These are great to have on the toolboxes, by the way. You guys don't know. And then $41 for the magnetic parts shelf. So not too bad on these. They look pretty nice. Save some space for the toolboxes. And they're black, so they'll work with any color. And then they got the Battery Daddy here on clearance for $16, down from $19. And then they got the premium lawn here, $160, synthetic. You got a maintenance kit, Husqvarna, $15, down from $34. An adjustable cultivator, $52. And then they got this one on sale for $349. 21-inch push mower, gas, old-fashioned gas. And then they got the buy one get one free. Yes, these are great Father's Day's gifts. You buy any of the kits on the left, including that 2 battery and charger, and get a free tool. The inflator is pretty nice. The angle grinder, all the oscillating tool. So all it just depends on what the dad does or what the person receiving the gift. These are great for DIYs, you know. And then you got the ratchet here for those of you that do mechanic work. And then you got this, you can use this as a sharpener. Yes, it's a power file. So you can use this as a knife sharpener. Just be careful with it. And then you got the sander and also angle grinder there, and the inflator, and then the vacuum there, the jigsaw. Vacuum's pretty nice, not bad. Little lightweight, little plasticky, but it might work. Something light duty, just a dustbuster, quicker upper. Alright, so you got 149 for this one was 179, 26-inch workbench. Great for the garage. And then you got this one, 129. It is 4 rolling drawers. And then $99, your choice on the ones on the left. I do recommend those, by the way. Those are great gifts. The $99. Then $169 for the 2-2 combo. And clearance, got the Kobalt 40-volt LED light, $69, down from $98. And you got the power inverter, $69, down from $99. These are good deals as well, if you guys are on the batteries. Alright, some more clearance deals. Again, the same power inverter for $99. Yeah, different price. And then $32.97, down from $55. And then you got that screen mesh or screen something patch. You got $54 off from $99. It's an inspection camera, like an endoscope. Not too bad, big screen. And then you got this drill here for $79, was $99. This is a brushless drill. These are pretty nice drills. $119 for the die grinder from the Kobalt. And then you got cargo bag, tool external. Pretty much a tool bag for $34. Then you got this saw here. So it's a Craig plunge saw for $2.99. And then you got this Bosch laser measure for $50, up from $84. That's a pretty good deal on that one as well. Got this Bosch vacuum for $63, down from $179. Not too bad. Really good deal on this nailer. This is $149. It's 18 volts, 18 gauge brand nailer. It is the kit that's come with battery, charger, everything you need in there. for the projects, or any smaller project or whatever you have. Baseboard trimming. You got $49.98. It's a pretty nice mechanics toolkit. And then these are $249 a piece. They do come with battery and charger, or the $299 will get you that hammer drill and impact driver, 2 batteries, charger. So these are all XR Power Detect. These are top of the line tools. These are pro level tools. So if somebody's gonna be getting a gift like this, they're gonna be happy. All right, so you got some bits here. Definitely check these out, guys, because they got the security bits. Those are very rare to find. They're only $12.98, so down from $19. This one's on clearance. The LED lights, again, $39, down from $98. You guys could, take the snapshot of the lowest price you could find at the store and take it up to the counter and give them the lowest price, right? $69 your choice there on the left, and then $99 on the right. Check this out. We still have these on clearance. These are EV charging stations and chargers. These are, I believe these are level 2 chargers. Yeah, level 2 chargers, EV chargers. So $379 there from $499. That's actually a pretty good deal. If you guys know anybody that has an EV, electric vehicle, you got the Tesla adapters there to the right. So $62 there from $82 for the Kobalt 7-gallon multi-purpose tank. Not bad if you guys need to carry some portable air, compressed air. A 2.5 gallons compressor, $149, and then $199 for the 3-tool combo from the Craftsman. These are all clearance. And then you got the Metabo 8-gallon trolley air compressor, $188, down from $419. Those are all sold out, by the way. Tire inflator, max speed drive, $65, sold out. And then $239 for the Craftsman 71-inch, or 71, yeah, 14 by 15, and then $335 for the 19 by 17. So a little bigger toolbox. Pretty good deals on those. And then for the pros, I don't know if you could call this a pro. I would say this is a little pricey for me. I personally wouldn't buy this. I think for that amount of money, you can get yourself something a little bit more solid than this. Still pretty nice. If they do a good discount on this, I would definitely get it. If I had the money, if I was shopping for something like this. But $27, I think this is a little bit too much for what they ask. So, and then they got this one on clearance. It's a 4-tool Comica from the Craftsman V20 for $100. Another great Father's Day deal is this one, guys. You buy one, get one free. So you buy any of the kits on the bottom, and you get a free tool on the top. One of the ones that I would get is that impact driver with $149. And still get another free tool. So that's a really good deal. $199 for this. And then $199 for this one as well, for the impact wrench. And then same thing with these, guys. These are great deals for the Bosch. I heard this is one of the best radios. So you buy the tool and get a free starter kit. And that's a nice hammer drill there. So same thing with this. When you buy any of the ones on the bottom, you get a free tool. So you got a whole bunch of tools to choose from there. And then this one's on clearance for $174, down from $249 for the ratchet. And then, yeah, same thing with this nailer. We just saw this, but still pretty good deal on that one. All right, so buy one, get one free. So you buy any of the starter kits and get a free, or buy a starter kit and get a free tool. That radio's pretty nice. There's a lot of tools to choose from. It depends on what you like doing, or woodworking, mechanic. Got the power stack there on clearance for $95. And that's it, guys. Make sure you guys have a great rest of your weekend, whatever it is for you. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.